Man, I'm excited tonight. Wanna know why? Oh yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh yeah. Alright. Let's do the unboxing. Man, I do not know which one to open first. I really don't. You know what? You know the funny things? I was so excited I was going to have a killer unboxing on my channel until I messed up. Yep. Now look at that. They'll lay down here. Yeah, I messed up. Big time. Well, let's go over everything. Now, don't ask for how, but I messed up. Now, first thing first, this is the GoPro itself. Again, I have the GoPro Hero 11 Black. And this is your stickers right here for those who like stickers. Now, the GoPro itself comes with a battery, obviously on its own. And the ones that I have did not come with an SD card. I heard some of them comes with SD card. The ones that I bought did not come with SD card. So I need to buy an SD card. Just let me know what's the best SD card to get for the GoPro. Now, one big mistake I made before I even use my GoPro, I almost break it. Here's what I mean by that. You see this one right here? I thought that was a door until I found out it's not. See, I already scratched it. I really thought it was a door. It's not. So I watched some videos. They said do not open it, it's not a door. So yeah, be careful people. Now again, the GoPro, the battery goes right here. And I did buy this right here. Alright. So this is it. Comes with two extra battery. Who goes in here? You know, those two extra battery, they goes here. So you always keep them charging for when you need it. Now, the box itself for the GoPro, this is how it looks like. I kind of like it. It's nice. I know that I'm going to use this box a lot. Other stuff, right? So this part, obviously, you already know what that is. Now this is really neat, right? This is really long. I don't know if you can see very well. So I know that I'm going to use that a lot. And obviously I'm going to use it with the stand. This is really neat. Now let me show you everything that I'm going to use with this GoPro. Obviously, this right here, I'm going to use it 100%. I'm going to use that, obviously, the GoPro. And this part right here. Now, on this thing right here, I know this part right here in the middle, I may never use it. This one right here. And I think this one goes through your body so that the GoPro can be on, you know, your chest or some sort. I may never use that. And this is the box for this one. Now, on the back, it shows extra accessories. Comes on the box. Now, this is the unboxing. This is for like for the GoPro float if you're in water, if you're using it so that the GoPro won't merge. This one will have the GoPro to float. Right? So this one here. If I can open this one goes right here. Obviously, we'll take this one first. Anyway, so guys, again, this is my unboxing. Like I said, I thought I was going to have a killer unboxing, but it's all messed up. So I decided to show you everything that comes on those 3 boxes. Let me know what you think. Did I make a good decision buying this? And if you have any tip for me, let me know in the comment section, okay?